Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. I was thinking of doing a quick Advent Christmas entry. I got this printable. It's from Tamara Keller from Illustrated Faith. I love the vibe of this printables because it's real pictures with some sketches and it's got this vintage vibe. Look at that beautiful little Bambi. It almost looks like Bambi. And I love this flowers, background flowers. I'm just excited to use this kit. I'm going to give it a background with using some blue ink stamping and just slightly sort of giving a background. I just wanted to give that misty, sort of romantic. It's going to end up a very soft and romantic layout, if you can say that. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to prepare my background. One of the suggestions they have to journal in is in Luke 18 verse 17. But I've decided I'm going to journal in Luke 2 verse 18, and the reason why I decided to do that is because that verse sort of talk about the wonder of Christmas and the whole message, and also I wanted to do it at the back of that previous entry. I will link, that's my previous video, I will link it up in the eye if you're interested to check that out. I wanted to cover the shadowing and also just make that page a little bit more sturdier. So yeah, that's what was my idea behind it. Now the verse we're looking at, as I said, is Luke 2 verse 18 and 19 actually. It says, "And all who heard it wondered at what the shepherds told them. But Mary treasured up all these things and pondered them in her heart." So yeah, I think it was a time of wonder for them, because Christmas is a wonder for many people in different ways. Obviously, some people just concentrate on the sort of the vibe of Christmas and the celebration and the presents and the decorations. And hopefully we as Christians are in wonder that God became man in the form of Jesus, to ultimately die for us on the cross, and that he became Emmanuel, God with us. To me, that is the wonder of Christmas. So and Mary was also wonder about that all that happens, kept her in wonder. It could be a positive wonder or a negative wonder, like a wonder, worried about it, or wonder, I'm in awe of it. So that's the idea behind it. I'm just playing with all these beautiful ephemera. I love that church, the real picture of that church. I would love to come across a church like that in the middle of the snow. You can see I'm from South Africa. I'm not really used to snow. I'm always fascinated by snow. I've got this beautiful lace, which I want to use. As I said, it's going to be a very soft and gentle layout. I just was inspired by these beautiful pictures. I'm just putting a little bit of tracing paper there at the back, and I'm going to make it almost a little flag or a little banner there at the top. I'm just cramping it with my stapler together, and I'm putting that tracing paper behind it. It's almost like vellum, but it's just a bit thinner. And at last I got the layout which I wanted. I love how it looks, because I love the blue sort of the background. Unfortunately, the doily doesn't really end up showing at the end, but that's I just know it's behind there, and it gives a nice effect. I had to use that little Bambi. It is so cute. It doesn't really have any rhyme or reason with the layout. My daughter said to me when she looked at it, she said, "Oh, is it like are you journaling in Psalm 23? As a deer pants for water?" And I said, no, this little Bambi doesn't have any reason why it is on this layout. I just liked it, and I just thought it looks cute with it, and obviously it came with a printable. So I just think sometimes this verse will just now stay with me, because I have done this verse in the form of picture, and I will remember it when I read it again. I will remember this layout, and it will bring joy to me. This little angel, I'm also backing with that beautiful lace. So I'm going to put it there at the top, because angels is usually in the air, or not in the air, in heaven. So I just love, as I said, I love the vibe of this printable. It's just totally different than all the other printables. Now this is actually part of a mince pie package I bought. And I love this little gold leaves on the packet. So I kept it, and I actually fussy cut it and use it on a different spread. But then I looked at it and I thought this is already in the form of a tab. So I'm just going to use it actually there at the top, because I thought it worked perfectly with this layout. Just this vintage, authentic vibe. And I just wanted to bring a little bit more gold into this layout. So I'm just using this beautiful washi tape. It is absolutely my favorite washi tape. I'm like so worried I'm going to run out of it because I bought it at a local craft market and it comes around once a year. So this better last the whole year. I don't even know if it will be in the next year in the same market. So I just spread the gold parts sort of over the page, and here I'm just going back to put my journaling in. So in the meantime, what I've journaled is Lord, we came to adore you. We are in wonder of you and what you have done. So the wonder, what I'm trying to do now is I'm taking this gold just stencil letters, and I'm just putting it on the ruler just to spread it to see how it's going to fit in that little gap. And I'm just putting the word wonder down there. I could have probably put the N and the D a little bit closer, but never mind. So I'm just stamping it now, and I hope you enjoyed this layout. I'd really appreciate it if you can give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider that. That will be great if you become part of this family. I hope you have a lovely Christmas and stay tuned for some close-up photos. Bye-bye.